Hi everyone. I had my hair dyed recently. Actually, I dyed it today. I just put Manic Panic Shocking Blue over the top of my chocolate. It wasn't really chocolate. I can't. It was like a couple different colors mixed together. The hairdresser did it because it's for my formal, and I wanted to go brunette for my formal because I didn't like my blonde hair, my natural hair. There's just so many different shades, and my hair is really annoying at the moment because I can't find my hairspray. Yes, so this is the color that it happened. It's not the same color around. Maybe some washed out somewhere, some places. But I don't know, I really like it. It's more of a bluey black, kinda looks green, but oh well, I'm different. I'm actually going to buy more Manic Panic hair dye in the near future because I saw this Gijinka of a Weedle, and she had yellow hair with pink streaks, and I found that really cute. It's probably going to be way different. I probably will change it. I'll probably go blonder with pink streaks, or I don't know, I just want pink in my hair, or maybe I'll go purple. So I have finished school. I finished at the end of last year. That's when I graduated, and I am now a full-time receptionist. It's actually so cool that they actually let me dye my hair colors like this. I'm pretty blessed. Yeah. Today's actually Australia Day because I'm from Australia. Didn't notice. So today's Australia Day, and all I did was dye my hair, but it's really rainy here. It's been raining where I am. Raining where I am since yesterday, and I actually found out that there was a cyclone up where my dad lives, and that family up there 6 hours away. So there's a cyclone up there, and apparently there's one somewhere else, but we're like caught in the middle of two cyclones, and so yeah, that's probably why it's really raining and windy, and hopefully we don't get flooded like we did a couple years ago, because that wouldn't be cool, because that's not cool. Well, actually, it could be cool for me, because then I just get to stay home and be on the internet all day. The internets, yeah. But yeah, I hope it's not raining tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm actually going to see my friend Bella, and we're going to be watching Red vs. Blue, hopefully all day, because it's going to be so awesome, because I got 10 seasons. I lay-byed it before Christmas, and I got it out Thursday, and I watched the first season and half of the second season this morning before I went out, and I just haven't got to see the rest, and Just gonna go watch the rest. I'd have to probably rewatch the first as well because she probably hasn't seen it yet. Oh wow! Ooh! I also got first 4 books of the Mortal Instruments series by Cassandra Clare. I cannot wait for City of Bones to come out on the 22nd of August, which is like 5 days after my birthday. It's going to be so awesome. I'm so excited. I love it when books become movies, like especially one of my favorite books. Except when I went and saw Inkheart, oh, just no, they ruined it. No, oh, they didn't ruin it. They just, whoever's seen the movie and them, they'll just won't want to read the book. But if you read the book first, yeah. Well, this video has been utterly pointless, so I will see you later. You don't see me wink. Duh.